Algebra formulas, most important formulas in mathematics. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next one is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Next one is a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next one is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, or a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next one is a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, or a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Next one is, please like this video and share now. Next one is a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next one, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Next one is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2 into a square plus b square. Next one is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to 4 in ab, 4ab. Next one is x plus j into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Next one is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c equals to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Next one is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Next one is, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. This is the most important formulas of algebra formulas. Please like this video and share now. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.